I'm William Johnson, lead security at the high school. And as long as the hallways are clear, the building is more safer, students are safer, staff is safer. Sometimes they come in the hallway, they want to talk to their friends. We say, let's go, walk and talk, trying to get them to get to class. And if the bell rings, we have to issue them a hall sweep.
Hello, my name is Rosa Drumgo. I am the junior dean here at Crete-Monee High School. We have implemented a new system called SmartPass. Students are allowed 3 passes per day. If we have students who are having troubles with each other or having conflict, we can set it to where they do not meet in the halls. If an emergency comes up, the counselor or the dean will go ahead and grab those students.
I'm Officer Price. I'm here at Crete-Monee High School. We got 1,400 plus kids in here at all times. With the SmartPass, it helps a lot. You can identify a child that's walking past you. You don't have to necessarily stop every student because you already can see where they're going. So there's less traffic in the hallway for everything.
Hello, my name is Jennifer Santor. I am an educator here at Crete-Monee High School. Some of the improvements that we've seen here at Crete-Monee are students arriving to class on time. Students are ready to learn. And that is something that as a team here, working together with administration, our security, our other staff, we see these strong improvements in our students when we collaborate and work together.
Hello, welcome to Crete-Monee High School. I'm Mr. Hollyfield, the principal of this very fine institution. I would like for you to take a journey with me because contrary to popular belief, our students are in the classroom. Come, let's take a peek. As you can see in this hallway right now, there's no one. We have a student that entered the restroom, but that's to be expected. And as you would see in this locker bay, we have no coverage. We have a couple of students talking with the teacher and a security officer, but no one's here. Students learning in the classroom, doing what they do best each and every day. You have a pass? You have a pass from the teacher? Okay, great. Hi, you're headed to the restroom? Okay. And on this hall, we have nothing but a teacher coming out of the classroom. That's to be expected. But this is our A1 wing. I just wanted to give you a day in the life of Crete-Monee High School as it pertains to hallway movement. Thank you.